To start, I'm going to show you how to perform a lower body exercise called a kettlebell swing. A kettlebell swing, first off, you have to plant your feet shoulder width apart. And I'm sorry to say I have a few blurry photos, but this was taken from my iPhone. Anyway, in this first photo, you want your feet planted shoulder width apart. Now, you're going to slightly, in this next picture, you're going to slightly bend your knees and push your bottom back. Next, grab the kettlebell with both hands on the grip and while bending at the knees in a neutral position. Next, you're going to swing the kettlebell back behind your knees in this picture, and remember you're only slightly bent and you are not in a squat. After this, move your hips forward, squeeze your bottom, and swing the kettlebell until it reaches the top of your head. Once you perform this, you have completed the exercise and can start again with step 1. This exercise works the posterior chain, which is a network of muscles and fasciae that extend from your calves and hamstrings into your buttocks and lower back. Now, this is the first picture of a core exercise that's called a burpee. In this first picture, you get into a squat-like position with your hands in front of your feet. With the squat-like position ready, jump your feet back into a plank position, like this, and then drop and do a push-up. Next, push back with your arms in a plank position, like this, and then jump back into a squat, and then jump up as high as you can, and now you have finished a burpee. And for a burpee, you are using the rectus abdominal muscles because it will help your core muscles when you stabilize your body for the push-up and the jump. Lastly, the upper body exercise I perform often is called a bench press. And I often use 25-pound plates, one on each side, but for this one I'm using 15 on each side, which equals 30. So it's not that much weight, but this is the first picture. So first you're going to lie back and plant your feet firmly on the ground, and you want to make sure that your hips are lying flat as well as your back. And next you're going to grip the barbell with your hands wider than shoulder width apart. Make sure to hold your bar at arm's length above your upper chest area. Next, slowly lower the bar to the upper chest area, then start to push it up with your forearms and make sure your hips are flat on the bench. And this is the picture of me pushing it up with my forearms and then going straight back to the upper chest area. And it's as easy as that. And if you're planning to use a heavier weight, make sure to have a spotter that will assist you with getting the barbell into the starting position and returning the barbell to the rack, if you have a rack, with your barbell when finished. The bench press uses the main muscles in your arms called the triceps, deltoids, and the pectoralis major. And these are the exercises that I have performed. And again, I'm sorry about some of the photos, but they are blurry. But these were the 3 exercises I used. Thank you.